I am Dr. Sween Kathuria. I am an endodontist and a cosmetic dentist. I've been practicing since 23 years. What is aesthetic dentistry? Aesthetic means pleasing in appearance. Now, your smile, when you are smiling in front of all, your smile should be pleasing in appearance. That means it is bright, beautiful, and believable. Most noticeable part of your personality is your mouth because of its size and mobility. That's why teeth and smile, they may play a very important role in making a person attractive. Tips for the great smile: brushing morning as well as night. And I would like to recommend battery brushes or power brushes. It is 5 times more effective as compared to the manual brushes. Go for antioxidant mouthwashes which provide holistic healing and freshness. Water is your mouth's best friend, and stay hydrated. You must have been told by your nutritionist that keep drinking water so that any food which is there in your mouth that gets flowed away. Saliva is also very important, and you must not have a dry mouth. If there is dry mouth, then you can face halitosis or you can face bad breath. And also sometimes we also advise chewing gums, but not sugar-free chewing gums. It has been written avoid sugar-free chewing gums because aspartame has been told that it is not good to take aspartame because these tablets, they are not benefiting the brain. So we have to avoid those sugar-free. You can just pop some normal chewing gums. If the food gets stuck in your teeth, that will be removed by these chewing gums.
I had 2 problematic wisdom teeth, one on the lower right side and the other on the left side, and I just consulted a dentist and I got to know that the one on the left side is actually infected and I have to get it extracted. Now that happened right the next day of my audition, and I literally had a swollen cheek while I was auditioning as well. So whether or not I should be going for the surgery before the pageant starts.
If you are going for surgical extraction, then you can go it afterwards if you have time, because then it will give you definitely a swelling for at least 3-4 days, so and pain also, because you have to take painkillers, then antibiotics also. Right. Then it's better to go for this later on if it's a impacted tooth inside and you have to go for surgical, because they will give you sutures, then sutures have to be removed after 7 days.
Yeah,
so
we can go ahead with this surgery like after 1 or 2 months as well, right?
Yeah, sure, why not.
Thank you so much for this insightful session. All the tips and tricks and the product recommendations were super amazing, and I look forward to meeting you. Really beautiful, by the way.
Most welcome. I wish you all the very best, girls. You all have beautiful smile. Be disciplined about your oral health and conquer this world. Why I love to create all these smile makeovers, because creating smiles make this world a better place. All the best. Looking forward to see you all. Thank you very much.